What's up everyone, Jared here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to play 15 linear drum fills in 15 minutes. So I've got my timer right here. Let's get ready to learn. Boom, here we go. Drum fill number 1. Okay, the phrase that we're going to use for this entire lesson, the linear phrase, is right, left, kick. Right, left, kick. So the very first drum fill, we're going to move that phrase across the snare and all the toms. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, and we're going to finish with right, left, right, left. This is drum fill number 1. Here it is, nice and slow, played as 16th notes. 2E and a 3E, play it with me. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, ready again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. Okay, that's drum fill 1. Drum fill 2, same exact pattern, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, right, left. We're going to finish with the same right, left, snare, rack, floor, floor phrase at the end, but now our orchestration at the beginning is changing. We're going to play this. Hi-hat, tom, snare, snare, tom. Very cool. Here it goes. 3E and a 4. Okay, that's drum fill 2. Drum fill number 3, we're going to start on the snare, go to the rack tom, back to the snare, back to the middle tom. So this is a kind of a pivoting from the snare drum is kind of the concept here. So it's right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, snare, rack, floor, floor. We still got the same ending phrase as the previous 2 drum fills, so nice and slow. Drum fill number 3, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, ready again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, ready again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Alright, drum fill number 4. This time we're going to keep our left hand on the snare while our right hand travels across the toms. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. And then we're going to finish with 4 16th notes on the snare. 4E and a drum fill 4, here we go. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a crash. 2, ready again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1, 2, ready again. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and... Okay, for drum fill number 5, we're actually going to split our hands between the floor tom and the hi-hat, and we're going to just be alternating floor, hat, kick, hat, floor, kick, floor, hat, kick, hat, floor, kick, and then finish with 4 on the snare. So this uses a crossover. Very cool. Here it is, nice and slow. 3E and a 4. 2 again, here we go. Okay, drum fill 6. This is the first fill where we're going to take that right, left, kick phrase that we've been playing at the end, and we're going to move it to the middle of the measure. So this is going to go right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, crash. Very cool fill here, number 6. So it goes like this, ready, go. Okay, that's drum fill number 6. Drum fill number 7 follows the same structure where we place the right, left phrase in the middle of the measure. This time the orchestration is tom, tom, kick, tom, snare, kick, tom, 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 kick, tom, snare, kick, floor, tom, crash. This is cool because it maintains a backbeat on the snare on 2 and 4. Check it out. All right, next page, drum fill number 8. Same exact structure. This time we're going to be using the hi-hat. So it's floor, hat, kick, floor, snare, kick, hat, 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 kick, floor, snare, kick, tom, tom, finishing on the high tom. Sounds like this. Two, three, four. Still got that snare backbeat. All right, that's drum fill 8. Drum fill 9. Same structure, right, left, phrase in the middle. This is our next to last 16th note drum fill. Then we switch to triplets. So drum fill 9, snare, snare, kick, tom, tom, kick, middle tom, floor, tom, kick, floor, snare, kick, floor, floor, boom. So we got a snare backbeat on 4. 2, 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3. All right, that's drum fill 9. Drum fill 10. All right, this is listed to play a stack. I only have my hi-hats configured right now, so we're going to use that. Floor, tom, kick, hat, snare, kick, hat, 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 kick, floor, snare, kick, floor, floor, crash. Drum fill 10. This is our final 16th note drum fill. Nice and slow. Ready, go. Notice that 2 and 4 backbeat on the snare. Ah! Okay, moving on to drum fill number 11. We're playing 16th triplets, sextuplets now. So our right hand is going to be playing eighth notes. Our subdivision is 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into. The first fill is 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into crash. We finish with right, left, right on the floor tom. So it sounds like this. Okay, number 12 is very similar. Exact same sticking, right, left, kick. This is like the classic John Bonham style fill. Snare, snare, kick, floor, tom, floor, kick, floor, tom, kick. So we're going to be doing this cool crossover. Finish with right, left, right, crash. So it goes like this. 2, 3. That's a really cool fill. You could just basically play it on a loop. Okay, drum fill 13. So here we're gonna go right, left, kick, 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 right, left, right, crash. So we have the double snare every third grouping. This outlines like a dotted quarter note emphasis. Da 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 da. That's the phrase of number 3, 2 on the snare, then 2 groups of 3 on the tom. Okay, drum fill 14. We're going to be playing triplets again. Snare, snare, kick, floor tom, hi-hat, kick, hat, floor, hat. So similar idea, but now we're doing a little crossover. That's pretty fun. Okay, drum fill 15. We're jumping up to 30-second notes. Last one. This is going to go 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 4. Hang on. 1 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 3 E and a 4. That's how you count 16th notes, or 30 seconds double time 16th notes. There it is, baby. 14 57. All right, so I just taught you 15 drum fills in 15 minutes. If you guys like these linear drum fills, I'm actually offering a sale on my linear drum course to celebrate reaching 9,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I'm like just 20 people away from reaching 9,000 subscribers at the time of this video, so I'm celebrating by offering a sale on my linear drum course. So you can pick it up now through July 4th for just $47. It's a 6-part video course. There's a full-length lesson on 5 different linear phrases, this being one of them, right, left, kick. There are 18 pages of drum transcriptions. There's 76 interactive practice files. And as a bonus, I'm also going to give you a copy of my Instagram masterclass, which is a 45-minute 4K video recording teaching you my top 5 Instagram reels. You get the transcription for all of that. You get lifetime access to everything when you purchase the course. So it's just a one-time fee, $47. You can sign up by clicking the link below this video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss new lessons. All right, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.